reporter Catherine Nicholson is covering this for us here at France 24 and now joins me from central Paris. Catherine, what was said in court today?
Well, basically, Hannah, absolutely no surprises here at the courthouse in Paris this morning. Judges deciding that, yes, Ali Vakili Rad is to be freed. He gets released after serving his 18 years sentence for murdering Shapour Bakhtiar, the last Prime Minister of Iran under the Shah, and he can now go back to Iran. Now, the reason that this case has been dragging on is that Ali Vakili Rad could actually have been freed a lot sooner. He's finished that 18 years sentence last year, but what was needed was an expulsion order that had to be signed by the French government. Now, they've applied for Ali Vakili Rad to be freed absolutely months ago, and the decision's been put back and put back. But today, yes, the judge has agreed that that expulsion order was signed yesterday. Therefore, all the conditions have been fulfilled. And we've heard from Vakili Rad's lawyer that he's probably going to be on the very next plane back to Tehran.
And Catherine, what about all these rumours that France did a backroom deal to secure the release of French academic Clotilde Rice in exchange for Vakili Rad?
Well, yes, quite the rumours have been circulating for quite a long time that Clotilde Rice, who was being held in Iran since last summer following those massive protests in Iran, that she was going to be exchanged in a bit of a prisoner swap for Ali Vakili Rad. That was hinted at very strongly by the Iranian president last year. Now, France has completely denied there's any kind of prisoner swap underway. They say that's just blackmail and that this decision regarding Ali Vakili Rad is purely for the courts to decide. But as we've seen, they did need the French Interior Minister to sign off that expulsion order, and people are saying, is it really such a coincidence that Clotilde Rice was freed at the weekend, that expulsion order was signed yesterday, and Vakili Rad is now being sent home? His lawyer, in fact, was just speaking just now outside the court and saying that, in fact, Clotilde Rice has more or less had a reverse effect on Vakili Rad's case, as in that he would have been freed a lot sooner if it hadn't been for Clotilde Rice. Now, that's the closest we've come so far to anyone admitting that there is a link between the two, but as I said, the French government still denying any link at all between the two cases.
All right, Catherine Nicholson in central Paris, thank you very much indeed.